can't find music for your Instagram stories? Don't worry, because in today's video, I'll show you exactly what to do to fix it so you can add your favorite songs to your stories without any hassle or frustration. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier.
The first way could just be simply that the internet connection is not good. So basically, if you're on your home or office Wi-Fi, turn it off by swiping down to access the control center and turn off Wi-Fi and use your mobile data. Then go back to Instagram and see if the music results are available. The same way works vice versa. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and see if this method works. The second way is to offload the app, meaning you delete the app but keep its data and settings as is. Then reinstall Instagram to see if it works. To do this, tap on Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and scroll down until you see Instagram. Tap on Offload App and confirm. Then proceed to reinstall and check if the music results appear. The last method is to switch your account to a personal or professional. To do this, tap on the profile icon picture at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down under For Professionals. Tap on Business Tools and Controls. Tap on Switch Account Type. Here you can choose to switch to a personal account or a creator account. Then go back to your Instagram to see if the music results appear.
There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.